Yeah, I want to give a quick review of this air vent. I bought this air vent for to put in our home office. See, the one I had on here is this house is an older house, so the air vent some of them's looking kind of bad. Um, so I figured I'd go ahead and replace this one here. This is one. This room gets a lot of traffic through it, so a lot of people can see it. So I want to go ahead and change this one out. It's easy to change, just a couple screws. Um, I didn't realize the old one I didn't realize how much better the airflow is now with the new one in compared to the old one. Plus, how much better it looks. So, if you're looking for a good air vent, um, check this one out. I highly recommend it. It has good airflow. You can control the airflow up or down or to the sides, however you want it. So, check this one out. I highly recommend it.